Sobrang sarap. So good. Hey guys, so I am currently at work today, but I have to get up really early, so I had to be here like really early. There's still people, you know, settling down, arriving. And syempre, dahil maaga ang work natin today, kailangan natin ng pangpagising. Now, this is my go-to coffee every single day. It's the FitGum Collagen Chia Coffee Mix. Usually, diba, sa labas tayo bibili ng kape, and usually, napakamahal nun. But with FitGum's Collagen Chia Coffee, it only costs 20 pesos for one sachet. Now, kahit doble mo pa yung sachet na gusto mong inumin, dahil sa preference mo sa taste, 20 plus 20, so that's 2. If you like 2, then that's only 40 pesos for your drink. Super mura, super sarap. Tinimpla ko na siya bago ako umalis ng bahay kanina. So guys, this is made from Robusta coffee. So, super bango niya. Meron siyang chia seeds and lumalaki siya sa loob ng water pag nakababad siya ng matagal. So, mas nakakabusog yung effect niya. Meaning, pag ininom mo to, hindi ka nag-crave masyado. So, there it is. Oh my god, super bango talaga. So yun na nga, nakakabusog siya. So hindi ka masyadong mag-crave when you drink this kasi you have a full feeling in your stomach. The sweetener in this is natural sweetener, so wala siyang sugar. And also, the creamer in it is non-dairy cream. And super sarap lang niya. Sobrang sarap. It's so good, guys. Guys, ngayon ang perfect time to buy FitGum because we have a promo ongoing. A buy 3, get 3 pack. There are 6 sachets in one pack like this. And you can buy 3, get 3. So that's 1,199 pesos for 6 boxes. Super sulit na nun, guys. And nakakaganda siya. Nakakapayat, nakakaganda, at nakakagising for your workday. For those who want to start a business and who are thinking of maybe starting a business, merong promo ang FitGum. And the special promo is called Maging Wholesaler Best Deals Ever, and that is you get a discount for your first 50 pieces, so first 50 packs that you sell, so you get a discount for that. So, ibig sabihin, mas marami ang kita mo for your first 50 packets. So, guys, yung sa mga gusto mag-start ng business dyan, don't miss out on this promo. So good. Yes po, pababa na po. Thank you po. Alright, so tinatawag na nila ako, guys. Do not forget everything that I told you today. Don't miss out on the FitGum Collagen Chia Coffee promos. Try it out. Don't miss out, guys. Bye!